Assalamu alaikum to all students. Hope you are fine. Today is lecture number 18 of ninth math class. As you know, in previous lecture number 17, we have done question number 1 to 4. Today we will do question number 5 and so on. Question number 5 is find the LCM of the following expression by factorization. Okay, factorization say we have to find the LCM of the expression. Our question is x square minus 25x plus 100 and x square minus x minus 20. Here we have to find the LCM of both expression. So you can write minus 25x as minus 20x minus 5x. If we add this, we will get minus 25. Okay. So here is common. Common is x. Remaining will be x minus 20 and minus 5 is common. Remaining will be x minus 20. Here x minus 20 is common factor, remaining will be x minus 5. Okay, that is first, you may note down this is our first equation, and here is x square minus x minus 20. You can write minus x as minus 5x plus 4x. Okay, here is x is common, remaining will be x minus 5 plus 4 is common, remaining will be x minus 5 because 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. The common factor is x minus 5, remaining will be x plus 4. You can see that here from equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2, x minus 5 is common. Okay, x minus 5 occurs twice in both terms. ओके ये दोनों टर्म्स में आया x माइनस 5, इसको एक दफ़ा ही लिखना है, बाकी जो बच जाए उसको भी लिख देना है, जैसे हम यूनियन में करते हैं। ठीक है, जो दो दफ़ा हो उसको एक दफ़ा लिखना है। ठीक है, बाकी जो बच जाए वो उसको भी लिख देना है। Here x minus 5 is common, so you have to write it once time, x minus 5 into x minus 20 and x plus 4. That is our LCM. Let's move to next question. Second question, x square plus 4x plus 4 and x square minus 4. Our third expression is 2x square plus x minus 6. Okay, you can write x square plus 4x plus 4. You can see that it's a complete formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 4 is 2 square and you can write it 2 into x into 2. Okay, that is perfect square of x plus 2 whole square. You can write it at twice x plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, here is x square minus 4. You can write it x square minus 2 square. uh, as you know, the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a square a plus b into a minus b. You can write it x plus 2 and x minus 2. That is our two equations, our first equation and second equation. uh, let's factorize the third equation. The third equation is 2x square plus 4x. You can write plus x as 4x minus 3x. Okay, 4 minus 3, that is equal to x. Here is 2x is common, remaining will be x plus 2 because 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, x plus 2. And minus 3 is common, remaining will be x plus 2. As we have taken minus common, then sign will change. Okay, the common factor is x plus 2, remaining will be 2x minus 3. You can note down that here, what is common factor here? X plus 2, x plus 2 and x plus 2. That is present in all the equation. So you have to write it once, x plus 2, that is common, and you have to write all the remaining factors. That all the remaining factors, x plus 2, 1 is remaining, and here x minus 2, and from here to x minus 3. Okay, so here is the greatest power of x plus 2 is whole square. Okay, and the LCM is x plus 2 whole square. All the remaining factors are x minus 2 and 2x minus 3. That is our LCM of the given question. Third part of this equation is 2x power 4 minus y power 4 plus and second expression is 3x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube. You can solve the first equation as 2 into, here is x power 4, you can write it a square, x square ka square minus y square ka square. Okay, the value of a is x square and value of b is y square. So you can write it as x square minus y into x square plus y. This is also a formula x square minus y square. This is also a formula. Expand this again, x minus y into x plus y, because a square minus b square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Okay, uh, x square minus y square will left same as it is. That is our first equation. Okay, solve the second equation. In second equation, you can note down here is x square is common. Taking x square common, remaining is x plus 2y, and here minus y square is common. Remaining will be x plus 2y. You can note down here x plus 2y is again common, is common factor. Then taking x plus 2y common, remaining will be x square minus y square. You can note down here is again a formula x square minus y square, that is equal to x minus y into x plus y. Okay, we have two equations. Our first factor is 2x minus y x plus y x square plus y square, and our second factors are fact 3 into x plus y x minus y x plus 2y. You can note down here LCM LCM is 2 into 3. The common factor is x plus y and x minus y, and the remaining factors are x square plus y square, x plus 2y. Okay, we have to sum up all the factors in LCM. Okay, as you know, the definition of LCM is uh, the product of common factor and non-common factor. Okay, so here is x plus y into x minus y. That is equal to a formula a square minus b square. Okay, x, you can write x minus y into x plus y as x square minus y square. You can note down here again. We may close a formula a square minus b, a minus b into a plus b. That is equal to a formula. You can write it as x power 4 minus y power 4 and x plus 2y. Okay, 2 3s are 6. That is the LCM of this equation. Our next question is 4x power 4 minus 1 into 6x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Here 4 is, you can write it as x power 4 minus 1 square. Okay, here we value of a is x square and value of b is 1. Okay, so, so you can write it as x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. You can see that here uh, you may open again a formula x square minus 1 as x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, by taking square on 1, you can open again formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so you can write it as x minus 1 x plus 1 into x square plus 1. That is our first vectors uh, of the first equation. Okay, here is 6x cube minus x square. You may know that here is x square is common, remaining is x minus 1, and in x minus 1 is common, remaining will be x minus 1. The common factor is x minus 1, remaining will be x square minus 1. You can write x square minus 1 as x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, by opening the formula of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so you can write it as x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. LCM of this equation will be the greater power of 2 is 2 square into x, the greater power of x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square, x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Okay, 2 threes are uh, 2 square is 4, 4 threes are 12, and x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 or square plus 1. Here is x minus 1 whole square, you can separate it, okay, and then combine it. X minus 1 into x plus 1, that is equal to x square minus 1. X square minus 1 into x square plus 1, that is equal to x power 4 minus 1. Now our answer is 12 into x minus 1, x power 4 minus 1. Okay, that is the LCM. Our next question is, forward value of k is x plus 4, the HCF of x square plus x minus 2k plus 2 and 2x square plus kx minus 12. अच्छा, k की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए x plus 4 इस एक्सप्रेशन का फॉरवर्ड वैल्यू ऑफ k, x plus 4 is the HCF of this expression. Here we have two expressions, p of x and q of x. As here is given, x plus 4 is the HCF of p of x and q of x. So p of x is exactly divisible by x. Okay. By putting the value x plus 4 is equal to 0, then we have value of x is equal to minus 4. So by putting the value of x is equal to minus 4 in the equation, minus 4 square plus minus 4 plus minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 4 square is equal to 16, minus 4 minus, by opening the brackets that will change the sign, minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 16 minus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 10, minus 2 is equal to 0. By shifting minus 2 to the right hand side, that is equal to 2k is equal to 10. The value of k is equal to 5. Our next question is question number 7. Here the question number 7 is x plus 3 minus into x minus 2 is the HCF of p of x and q of x. Find k and l. Okay, so our first expression is p of x and q of x. HCF of p of x and q of x is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 2. Means if we divide this expression by x plus 2, x plus 3 or x minus 2, remainder will be 0. Okay, because that is the factor. As x minus 2 is the factor of p of x, so we may put the value of x here. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then value of x is equal to 2. Okay, by putting the value of x in the equation, 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 square is 4, 4 to the 8 minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2, plus k is equal to 0. The value of k is equal to minus 2. And x plus 3 and x minus 2 is a factor of x minus 2 is a factor of q of x. So the value of x is equal to x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of x is equal to minus 3. By putting the value of x is equal to minus 3 into q of x, then 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 7 3s are 21, minus L is equal to 0. 27 minus 21, that is equal to 6 minus L, and the value of L is equal to 6. Here the value of L is equal to 6 and value of K is equal to 2. Okay, beta, our question number 8 is question number 8. The LCM and HCF of two polynomials p of x and q of x are 2 into x power 4 minus 1. Question number 8 is the LCM and HCF of two polynomials p of x and q of x are one is first is LCM 2 into x square minus 1 and HCF is x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, and we have p of x, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We have to find the q of x. As you know the formula of there is a formula q of x, p of x into q of x is equal to LCM into HCF. Okay, uh, putting the value into formula, by putting the value of LCM, HCF and p of x into the formula. Here you can see that here you may multiply this x into x square, that is x cube, x into x, that is x, and 1 into x square, that is x square, 1 ones are 1. Okay, you may note down by arranging x cube, then x square plus x plus 1. You may note down in the numerator and denominator, this value is same, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and in denominator x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, that will cut, remaining will be 2 into x power 4 minus 1. Okay, question 9 is, let p of x is equal to 10 into x square minus 9 and x square minus 3x plus 2, and q of x is 10x x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. If the HCF of p of x and q of x is 10 into x plus 3 x minus 1, then find their LCM. We have three things are given here: p of x, q of x and HCF. We have to find LCM. The formula, as you know the formula, if LCM multiply HCF is equal to p of x multiply q of x. So LCM will be equal to p of x multiply q x divided by HCF. By putting the values into formula, you may note down here x minus 1 and x minus 1 is same. 1 power will be cut. Okay, 10 will be cut, will also cut, and x plus 3 and x plus 3, that will also cut. Okay, remaining will be 10 into x square minus 9, x square minus 3x plus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, because some of the values will cut by the denominator, the remaining are here. Okay, you can write it as, you may break down minus 3x as minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, uh, all the remaining values will left same as it is. Okay, then you can see that here is x is common, remaining will be x minus 2, minus 1 is common, remaining will be x minus 2, and x minus 2 is common factor, remaining will be x minus 1. Okay, you can see that here x minus 1, that is same, if base or same power will be added, uh, their power will be x minus 1 whole square. That x will shift to left side. Okay, 10x into x minus 2 by arranging also x minus 1 whole square into x square minus 9. That is our answer, that is LCM of the given equation. Our question number 10 is, the product of LCM and HCF of two polynomials will be uh, x plus 3 whole square x minus 2 into x plus 5. That is the product of HCF and LCM. If one polynomial is given and we have and the second polynomial is x plus kx, find the value of k. Okay, you note down the formula here. The product of LCM and HCF is, that is given, p of x is also given and q of x is also given. Here is formula: p of x into q of x equal to LCM multiply HCF. Okay, by putting the values into formula, x plus 3x minus 2 x square plus kx plus 15 is equal to x plus 3 whole square x minus 2 into x plus 5. Okay, see here, x minus 2 is same on both sides, that will cut. X plus 3 and x plus 3, that is same on both sides, this will also cut. One power of x plus 3 is remaining, The remaining term factors are x square plus kx plus 15, and here is x plus 3 and x plus 5. By solving this, x square 3 5s are x square plus 5x plus 3x. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8x, and 5 3s are 15. Here you can compare the coefficient. Okay, as you can see that x square will cut, 15 15 will cut, and by compare the coefficient of x, okay, we compare the coefficient of x, then uh, the coefficient of x here is 8 is equal to k. The value of k is equal to 8. Okay. Our last question of today's exercise is, Waqas wishes to distribute 128 bananas and also 176 apples equally among a certain number of children. Find the highest number of children who can get the fruit in this way. Okay, we have to find the number of children, how we can distribute in equal way. Okay, the required number of children is equal to HCF 128 and 166. We have to find the HCF. Okay, so we may acquire the result desired. So uh, here we are finding the HCF by Dewey method, by putting the greater values to the inner side. 128 ones are 128, by subtracting remaining is 48. Okay, as you can see that 120 is greater value, then shift it to the inner side. 128 48 twos are 96. Okay, by subtracting remaining is 32. You can see that here is 48 is now 48 is greater, shifting to the inner side. 32 ones are 32, remaining is 16. Okay, 32 is greater now, so shift this to the inner side. 16 to the 32. The HCF of the given equation is, question is 16. HCF is equal to 16. The highest number of children is equal to 16. Waqas, so the answer is 16. Waqas can equally distribute uh, 16 children, equal number of fruits. Okay, so beta, that is our today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may ask.